Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome to the month of February, where we are going to do a series of stretches to open up the heart. Let's begin towards the front of your mat. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, and breathe into both hands, letting your chest rise and fall. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed and take another deep inhale here. And out. One more deep breath, letting both hands rise and fall. Then sweep the arms up all the way over your head. And imagine that there's a wall behind you and you're bringing your arms back behind it. Then inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. And exhale, pull back the elbows, imagining that wall's there and you're bringing your hands towards it. One more time, inhale up. Exhale back. Then bring your hands towards your heart in prayer. Weight goes to your heels into chair pose, holding here. Send your weight to the right leg. Step that left leg back so both feet are facing forward. You are in high lunge. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And open the heart. Lean back this time. Pull back the elbows. Keep the right knee bent. Inhale, arms come up. And exhale, lean and bend back. Inhale, come up. Exhale, lean and come back. Inhale, lift up. This time, warrior prep that back left foot. So it's all the way on the ground. Right arm in front, left arm behind. Relax the shoulders. Holding this warrior two. Now clasp your arms behind, your hands behind your back. Roll back the shoulders. Take a deep breath into the chest and release. Hinge from the hips, lean forward. Arms come up and over in the direction of your head. A little bit forward if you can more. Then bring your hands back towards your bottom. Inhale on up. Find your warrior two. Relax your shoulders. Drop the left hand back. Right hand faces up. Keep a bend in the right knee. Lean back. Open up this chest. Take a deep breath here. Now bend open the elbow just a little bit. And then lean that hand all the way back. Come back center to warrior two. Square your chest to the front. Pivot that back left foot. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Inhale, sweep the arms back and around like you have wings. Inhale, lift up. Lean back. Exhale, hinge from the hips. Swan dive down to a forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive up. Lean up and back. Exhale, down you go, back to the forward fold. Inhale, lift up. Lean back. Hands come to your heart, back to that chair. Weight goes to the left leg. Right leg steps back this time. Inhale, arms come up. And lean back. Open the chest. Pull back the elbows. Bend back. Inhale, back up. And lean back. One more time. Up. And back. Warrior prep the back right foot. Left arm in front, right arm behind, holding it here. Clasp the hands behind your back, roll back the shoulders, take a deep breath into that chest, opening it up. Look towards that left toe, hinge from the hips, arms come up and over in the direction of the head. Take a deep breath in and out here. Then bring the hands back towards the bottom, swoop the arms up all the way. Left arm in front, right arm behind. Drop the right hand down, left hand faces up. Lean on back and take a deep breath here. Bend the left arm, open up just a little bit. Then reach it back to where it was. Come on back to warrior two. Shift to warrior one. Pick up that back foot. Lean forward, step forward. Inhale, swoop up, lean back. Exhale, swan dive down all the way to a forward fold. Inhale, place your hands on your shins. Lift your heart up and chest up to monkey pose. Then bring it back down, bend your knees, walk your feet down into tabletop. From here, we're gonna go ahead and bring the right arm up to the sky and pull it back 3 times. So 3 big circles. 1, inhale, 2, and 3. Place the right hand down. Left hand comes up for 1, 2, and 3. From here, walk your hands up. Take a deep breath here. Take a pause. Then we're going to go into camel pose. You can place your hands behind your back and hold it here. If you can go a little bit further, you can do so by going all the way back onto your ankles. If this is too extreme for you, just stay up where you were. Take a deep breath here. Relax your jaw and breathe in and out just a little bit more slowly. Then we're gently going to come on up, nice and easy. Place your hands down. After back bends and opening up a little bit, let's calm down the central nervous system. Stack your hands and relax your head on your forehead or your forehead on your hands and rock side to side maybe. Then to help open up the shoulders, we're going to place both hands together in prayer. And if you want to drop the forehead down, you can, or you can stay here. Then come on up. And we're going to go ahead and transition onto our bellies into Sphinx pose. Your shoulders are on top of your elbows, and take a deep inhale and exhale here. Breathing into the belly, relaxing the shoulders, pulling back the chest. Then reach the right arm straight in front of you and gently roll on over to your back. Then you're going to go ahead and reach the arms up over the head and the legs down on the ground. Close your eyes and take a nice relaxation here. Relax that jaw, every other part of your body that's not holding you here. Then close your eyes and set the intention around your heart. Go ahead and imagine that your eyes are closed, but you can see through your heart. You can see the world through your heart, all with love and good intentions. And then go ahead and breathe in love and good intentions towards yourself. Then whenever you're ready, you can curl up into a ball into the right hand side, just to help drain the heart. Then whenever you're ready to push up, go ahead and push on up. Crisscross those legs, place the hands behind your head, pull back, open the chin, open the heart. Then place both hands onto that heart, close your eyes and send yourself anything that is good towards that area. Maybe you can feel your heartbeat. Then go ahead and bring your hands into a prayer. Take a deep breath, fulfilling yourself with self-worth. And exhaling out confidence. Namaste. Always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.